My beautiful and amazing people, no be small thing oh. They say when an elderly man think say he go forever remain an elder, but he dey behave like small pikin for where children dey. Children na children they go forever be, and the day wey they go talk to you as an elder, e go become a thing of shock to you and whatsoever wey you represent as a man. My people, wonders dey say e shall never end. Tori don wowo. Ned Nwoko's son don burst out oh. According to am, e say enough is enough. On top of this Christmas season wey we dey happy say dem wan born Jesus Christ, Ned Nwoko e no dey happy oh, because im son don use this opportunity take scatter the table for am, and people wey come visit am, he is now in shame because e no even know where im go hide im face. Omo, una see people wey dey advise Regina Daniel say make she go back to this man, say outside no good. Those people wey dey talk that thing, I no know wetin I go call una, but I believe say if una own turn reach, make una advise una own make e return say outside no good. Na that time una go know say outside might not be good, but depending on the prayer, your prayer request to God, outside go get as e go be. E go favour you pass when you dey inside house. And for Regina Daniel and her children, I believe at this junction, make she no worry herself. Let her focus on herself and her life over there in the UK. Say time will come when her own children too go stand up for her the way this im son take stand up for Regina Daniel and im mama. My people, make una draw una chair come closer oh. Make una come hear matter. Make I carry una enter the gist as e dey hot. Compliment of the season. Hope say una dey do well. Hope say una keep checking and where my own dey. As e dey hot, I say make I bring tori for una wey una go take the chill wine alongside the chicken wey to take dey digress the story as e dey hot. I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real G's. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, grant una heart desires, and give una everything wey una ever wish and pray for in this very season. To my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remain your humble girl Gifted Gist that be dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name take beg una, make una help us subscribe, hit on notification bell so I dey go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, Ned Nwoko never saw this coming. They say when Regina Daniel was in the house, this im son na one of Regina Daniel favourite. They even dey do the things wey be say the father no dey gree do for the son, based on I don't care man wey im be. E no dey gree carry their children. You know say Mama Regina talk am say if you check Ned Nwoko's children from beginning to the very end, you go see say na Regina Daniel children na even dey different from all. E no dey caring, e get money, but e no dey show even for im children body. But when Regina was in the picture, she dey make sure say even the one wey reach her, she dey share am reach where the children dey. And at some point, when Ned Nwoko found out that the love this boy get for Regina Daniel no be here own, like e even fit communicate, reveal some certain things to Regina wey be say e no fit even tell im mother wey born am. So e come dey suspect the boy say e no dey comfortable with the boy and Regina Daniel. So tey when Regina comot, one or two informations wey Regina Daniel come dey know, Ned Nwoko confirm am say e be like say na the guy na im dey call Regina Daniel, dey tell Regina Daniel. Whereas they say na the mother of the boy na im dey call Mama Regina, wey be Rita Daniels, tell her say, if I were you, you no go dey online dey do cho cho cho. Na to carry Regina Daniel, based on wetin my son don tell me about her, she is not a bad person. Be, being the fact that she is married to our estranged husband no mean say I go hold her as an enemy or anything. But all the while wey I no dey for the house, my son has been showing me and has been telling me so many things that Regina Daniel is doing for them, and how she has come through, even when the father go say, na see this time around, nothing for Lagbaja, Regina Daniel go stand sit up. Even if the father no give, the money wey she make while she go do her own activities, she go carry am share for them, buy things for them, buy phones for them. Their phone spoil, na Regina Daniel settle down during Khalifa abi na Munir birthday, 5 years birthday. That's when she pack all of them, buy them phones from beginning to the end, change their wardrobe, change so many things during that time. Wey be say she even come on social media, come talk and say she wan use 3 days take make her children, all the children dem happy. And many children, almost 20 something children for that house, Regina Daniel dey carry all of them along. She no make am look like this one na my own, this one no be my own. She carry all of them along, wey make the boy dem no dey use all of them, dem no dey use Regina Daniel play. And na that one make Leila dey vex say Regina Daniel is loved by all, cherished by all, and cared for by all, and she dey vex. So according to the matter wey dey for ground, wetin transpire between Ned Nwoko and the son, say when this boy celebrated his birthday, Ned Nwoko, now the boy make a wish that he wants to go see his mother and have a quality time with her. You know say anytime wey wives comot for Ned Nwoko's house, e dey make sure say e put one or two together, carry one dash you, wey be say you no fit ever forget. At the end of the day, you go come leave your children for am, waka go, based on the scandal wey e don carry put for your head. By the time when you say you dey take druggy, the whole world come tag you name, give you druggy addict. The government itself come talk say you have no access to go along with your children, make you go rehabilitation, make you dey alright first. No be when they gree say you don dey alright na im dey go gree give you your children. Of course, even if you don dey alright, even if you no take druggy, in as well as say Ned Nwoko don talk say you dey take druggy, they go believe am because na im be the husband. The same thing wey im do to Regina Daniel, the same thing wey im do to the mother of other children wey dem dey for Ned Nwoko house, make I call am palace. Na im children na im be im cabinet members. Hey, wahala. So now as e gather them for there, their parents dey no dey, na only Leila, according to the information, na only Leila now na im remain as a single father wey im be. Regina and Leila na dem dey before. Now wey Regina don comot, na only Leila dey with 20 something children to cater for. Now, according to the boy, he say after making a wish, Ned Nwoko come grant the wish in the presence of everybody. Say no problem, you go see your mother and have quality time with her. I don't have any problem you going to see your mother. The thing is, the problem I have is just that you, whenever you go there, you need to be extra careful, because you know this one, that one. He said a lot. The boy said no problem. That thank God he is no longer a child. He can now know the good, the bad, and the ugly. He knows where to enter and where not to enter. So he is good. That is just his wish, what he wants. Ned Nwoko say no problem. Birthday finish, everybody enter house. Ned Nwoko no dey talk about going to see his mother again. So as far boy wey be say im no be say e really get problem like that, e come tell himself say talk, instead of going to see his mother now, why not let him just leave it during festive period, Christmas time, so that im go celebrate the Christmas with the mother, have a wonderful moment with her, enjoy everything put together with her and all. That time now, other family members go dey around, other people will come, they will celebrate, they will be happy. It will not be only him again. So him go hold on, let Christmas season come, him go now travel, he go now go meet him mother. Na him he come let him papa know. According to the information now, that Regina Daniel was even there when this boy came and told Ned Nwoko that I am going to postpone this my birthday wishes, that I want to see my mom and have a quality time with her, since my birthday has passed for over a month and now, and daddy is not saying anything about it. I am going to postpone it till festive period, during Christmas or New Year. By God's grace, I'll be going to see my mom so that I can have quality time with other people, my uncles, my aunties, and all. Everybody will be around. So many people will travel in and out and all. Let Nwoko still say no problem. Regina Daniel can't even promise and say, okay, if he's going, that she's going to give him some things and things that he will go give his mother, and that he should never forget to tell the mother that she loves her so much. This one, that one. Like Regina just played along. She make look like there's no big deal too. Promise and say he's going, nothing will stop him. This one, that one. Regina gave him hope. Ned Nwoko, in the boy too, can also tell Regina Daniel when the father was not around that the dad refused to talk about the issue, and him, he was scared to remind his father about going after his birthday. Now so being scared, being scared, being scared, the father no talk about am o. Going to 2 months now, the father no talk about the this thing. I make him the talk say make him go leave until festive period. Say abeg make Regina Daniel help am talk to him father that he really misses his mother and he wants to see his mother. Regina Daniel come promise am say she go help am talk to the father, make him no worry. Say in as far as say she dey, him go that waka wey him dey talk. He must see him mother this time around. Funny enough, the Regina wey promise am now, she's not even in the picture. She too, she don even comot before he even ready to go. Na im dey say on this particular day, as Ned Nwoko no talk, everybody don ready for Christmas, or automatically today is Christmas. Na im dey say that a day before Christmas, people gathered in the house. You know na, as a politician, to gather people normally, e no dey tire Ned Nwoko. So many people want to come. According to wetin we hear that time, you know say they say Mama Regina na tour she carry Regina Daniel go for Ned Nwoko mansion. Na im she go see. Na im Ned Nwoko see Regina. They start dey converse. This one, that one. I like her. No, I no like her. Regina this. She na very me I dey go for. He say e be very na tour dem go for. Na conversation bring conversation. We bring the one, we bring the one, we carry Regina Daniel put inside. So normally in house they dey always, people dey always full, people dey always dey visit here and there. So na im dis boy come as if e dey target am. When im colleagues dem dey come visiting after they've eaten o, they were now sitting in one side, discussing, having fun, enjoying the moment. Na im the boy come meet him father for ear say, daddy, how far now? Me I want to go o. See, you promise me, and before you know, tomorrow is Christmas already. Abi a day before Christmas already. And this one, that one, that one, that one. Na im dey say Ned Nwoko tell am say, is it you that will tell me when you should go? It's me that will tell you when to go, not you that will tell me the particular day. Mind you, the road is not even good, and besides, we've not even booked for the flight. This one, that one. Na im the boy say, that flight will not take any. How many hours will it take him to book flight? Flight is not a big deal. After all, he even get private jet. So that one is nothing. If he really wants to do it, the private jet can carry him and go and drop him in so airport, that will now help him to from there forge ahead with his journey. That it is not a big deal if he really wants to do it. That daddy, please now, daddy, I've missed this woman now. Before you know, like they say, Ned will go flame up. Say, you see me with visitors, you are coming to tell me you miss your money, you did this, you do that, you do that. Don't you have other things to do with your time? Don't you know when to do things? Must you be stupid all the time? Must you do this? Blah, 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 blah. They start dey bounce on the boy. Na him the boy provoke omo publicly. Na him this boy he put am for network body woto. You see daddy, enough. What is the meaning of all this? What have I done wrong to deserve this? I said I want to go see my mom, and you are busy shouting, making things difficult, making people look like maybe I am not appreciative or I don't know what I am doing. For gracious sake, ever since my mom left this house, we've not been able to converse, to talk, or have any meaningful conversation with her. We've not been able to see her either. What is going on? This one, that one. And you promised me, if you know you will not allow me to go see her, then why did you promise me in the very first instance that we are going to see her? This is unfair. This is not fair. This is this. This is that. Da. The boy provoked. He said the same thing that you are doing now to Khalifa and Munir. Eh? The same thing that you are doing to Mommy Regina. The same thing you did to my mom, you are still doing it again and again and again. Tell me, how did Mommy Regina became a thing of caricature, became a thing of discussion, that it got to a point where you are now telling her that she will not have access to her children, she will not see her children, this, da. At the end of the day, see now that she will have to go to rehab. Until she go to rehab and she gets all right, she gets fine, get a certificate from them to show that she is fine before she can have access to her children. Daddy, you are wicked, you are a mean man, you are this, you are that. I never believe a day like this will come where I will face you and talk to you the way I'm talking to you right now. Daddy, I must say to your face that you are evil and demonic. I don't know what my mom have done wrong to deserve all this treatment from you. Likewise, other women. I am talking on behalf of every other children in this house. Everybody will not want to tell you the truth, but I will tell you the truth, sir. Daddy, I am highly disappointed in you. Let me speak for myself. I am highly disappointed in you. Likewise, other children. But I will speak for myself because I am now a grown-up boy. I am no longer that boy you used to know. Abba, what have I done wrong? Sir, mommy and daddy in the house. See. The boy started explain to the people around. And so everybody just dey look. Nine net woko. You don't know when he leave those people, waka go upstairs. Only God know. The boy, kuma, he run, come off for parlor, go hide for another place because as the father run now go upstairs, you no know wetin e dey go do. What if he go bring something come use am harm the boy, or he call the securities make dem hold am say tor him ma don dey take druggy make dem lock am up. You know wetin him get in ten tion to do the boy? Na him dey say omo no be small thing oo. The boy run enter another place. Then those people wey come, dey come dey wait make network come down, make dem tell am make wetin im gat to do. Network no gree come down. Na so e carry shame hide im face go upstairs go stay. After how many hours before dey say network come down? E come down, e say that he just have to go upstairs and clear his head, that they can see the kind of children that they have these days. Gen Z, during when they were growing up, have they ever talked to their parents anyhow like this? This one, that one, that one. Imagine this boy, you imagine facing me and telling me things you can ever imagine. Na dey say one man wey dey there open up to am say, sir, you know one thing with children is you don't promise them what you know you cannot do for them. This boy is never wrong. Please allow him to go see his mother. Allow him to have quality time with his mother. For the fact that he has pleaded, he has begged, just please allow him. I see nothing wrong. He is now a grown-up child. Even if the mother is into so many things like you said, at least he can now know the bad and the ugly. He is not a child that he will be forced to do some certain things that he doesn't want to do. Please allow him to see his children. So he start to they do you people will now do and come and be going. Thank you for coming. God will bless you people. Thank you. I say you can imagine. You still say everly you go imprison those children forever. Na him make the advice Regina Daniel say let her be focused for now and forget those children. Time will come when they will have no choice. You see that man, they go break a head one day, pack their bag, comot for house, go look for their parents, go look for their mama. No be say na backyard talk o, e go surely come to pass one day. Because for this one to stand on his feet, stand on im ground say na how e want am be dis, e mean say e don over the boy don tire. Imagine person, you promise person, you see say they dey promise Gen Z, they dey promise children go scot free. Even adults, e dey promise you, they no fulfill am sef, e dey get as e dey be. Not to come talk of children around. You go promise dem say you wan carry dem comot, or you wan do something for dem, time go reach, you go dey postpone dem. No now. Haba, wetin dey there if im go see im parent? I don see people wey dey co-parent in peace. Weekend they will go see their parents, they will go see their mom. And these other days, if na from the father side na dem dey go school, they will come normal days and go to school here. Weekend they will go see their mom. What is bad there? But Nedwoko case for where e no want make dem go see their mama, make the mama no come collect the children for im hand, make e no come dey lonely, make dem no come happy. Wetin be im reasons? My people, wetin una think say e be Nedwoko reasons? I am just so happy the way this boy talk to this man, disgrace am for public of people, make dem know talk say na so e dey always do. Na im pattern be that wey e dey always use, but God pass am. My people, make una come, make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, keep touches. Let me bring you the latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.